When you're building projects with pocket hole joinery, it can take quite a bit of space to get the drill and the long driver bit in position. There are some assemblies that just don't allow enough room. In those cases, a great trick is to use a right angle attachment. You can pick one up for about $20. The attachment just goes into your drill chuck like any other bit, then you put the driver bit into the attachment. With this setup, you can reach into a tight spot to drive the screw. Just hold the attachment with one hand and run the drill with the other. Your drill clutch still works too, so you don't have to worry about overdriving. If you want to drive a screw in an even tighter space, you can swap out the standard long driver bit for a short one to provide even more clearance, so you can still drive pocket hole screws in tight spaces.